Hi, this is the video for lesson 6.4. For the video, you'll need something to write with: pencil, pen, marker, crayon, calculator, and chapter 6 notes. Today, we are going to find the best buy based on unit price. So this is kind of the next step after 6.3 unit price. So we're going to talk about comparison shopping. What is comparison shopping? On your notes, you would write comparing prices to find the best value, the best deal, to save the most money, whatever you want to write so you understand what comparison shopping is. Here's the lesson formula, which is the same as what we use for unit price. So I don't have this on your notes. You can always add it again, or you know it's the same as 6.3. Larry Rocco wanted to take piano lessons. A local music school offered packages of 5 lessons for $100, 10 for $180, and 20 for $320. You compare the unit prices of products so you can decide which size to buy. So he could decide which one would be the best deal for him to take the piano lessons. Some stores have a shelf tag that shows the unit price in cents. To change the dollar amount to cents, multiply by 100. So in your notes, you do have this example. Tolliver's Grocery sells ranch dressing in 3 sizes. The price of a 16-ounce bottle is $3.49, 20-ounce bottle is $4.69, and 36-ounce bottle is $6.19. Based on the price alone, which package is the best buy? So you can see how they took the price divided by 16. Then they took that, and so the 16-ounce package is 21.81 cents per ounce. The 20-ounce package, price divided by the amount, 20 ounces. And then they times it by 100 over here. Technically, if you can compare from here, you wouldn't need to do that, but that way it kind of makes it a little bit easier to compare. 23.45 cents per ounce. And the 32-ounce package is $6.19 divided by 36, which is 17.19 cents per ounce. So the 36 package is the best deal. You will find a lot of times the largest package is the best deal, but not always. So you do not have these on your notes, but I would like you to do number 1 and number 2. You're going to compare facial tissues and then granola cereal. Once you get done finding the best deal of number 1 or 2, then you can unpause the video and look at the answers and make sure you're doing it correctly. Remember, you're always taking the price divided by the amount. Great. Here are the answers for that. So the first one was the facial tissue, the 75 count and the 184 count. So they took the price divided by the count. Now you can see why we really needed a lot of decimals here. And then what they did here is they times it by 100, so you get a nice way to compare. You can totally compare that the 184 count is the best deal, okay, the best buy. For the granola cereal, 14 and 20 ounce, you take the price divided by the ounce. This is 20. Again, this one's really tricky to tell the difference. So that's why we have to have more spots in our decimal. It is almost identical if you would actually round it. So that's why we have to go out in decimals. So it would be that the 14 ounce is better than 20 ounce. Okay, so you can see it's just a tiny bit better. So you want to kind of decide what ounce you would want, but technically the answer is the 14 ounce. Okay, you can go on to practice 6.4. Have a wonderful day.